For companies to succeed in the development of Industry 4.0, they will need inspection solutions that can combine domain expertise in optical inspection with the ability to connect to larger systems and contribute to process improvement, utilizing tools like artificial intelligence. Ko-Young, the global leader in 3D measurement-based inspection equipment for the electronics industry, has authored a book that shows how these processes can be used to make real-time line adjustments to improve quality without stopping your manufacturing process, and to provide data that helps identify the root cause of failures or variances. This book explains how inspection processes have evolved, becoming better and faster for today's complex boards, and how companies can leverage data to improve quality as automation becomes more pervasive in the industry. Here's what people are saying about the Printed Circuit Assembler's Guide to SMT Inspection. This book provides unprecedented visibility into SMT processes, asserting inspection technology as a key active contributor to zero-defect quality initiatives, rather than being limited to simple defect detection. Michael Ford, Senior Director, Emerging Industry Strategy, Aegis Software. This book offers an in-depth insight into the new and exciting true 3D inspection technology, with a look into leveraging big data management and autonomous manufacturing for a smarter factory. Christopher St. Mars, Intervala. You can download this book at i-007ebooks.com.